Let's take a look at number 15, solving log equations. And let me refresh your memory on the steps. Step 1. Get everything with a log on one side, numbers on the other side. Step 2. Use properties of logs or basic algebra to get a single log. Step 3, use the definition of a log to rewrite in exponent form. Step 4, solve for x. That's pretty vague, but it has to be vague at that point. And then step 5, semi-check your answers. And we'll talk about what that means here in a second. So let's look at this one. 15. We have log of x plus 17 minus log x equals 3. Step 1, get everything with a log on one side, numbers on the other side. Well, everything with the logs on the left side, numbers on the right side, so that's done. Step 2, use properties of logs, get a single log. Well, log of something minus log of something, subtraction becomes division. So we're going to have log of x plus 17 over x. Try it again. Okay. Over x equals 3. Now step 3, use definition of log to rewrite in exponent form. Now if you just have log here, this is by default base 10. If I were to put it look like that, that's your base. Now the definition of log says to rewrite this in exponent form, we take our base, which in this problem is 10, to a power of the other side, so 10 to the third, equals what follows our log. Well, step 4, solve for x. This is actually a rational equation. We got fractions, specifically we have x's in the denominator. So first thing I'll do is 10 to the third is 1,000. To get rid of the fraction, we're going to multiply everything by the LCM of all our denominators. We only have one denominator, so we'll multiply both sides by x. Do that, those x's are going to cancel. And we get 1000x is equal to x plus 17. Third step, this is solving linear equations at this point now, and third step is get all the x's on one side, numbers on the other. So I'll take the x over here. So we got 1000x minus x equals 17. Combine together like terms at any step. 1000 minus 1 gives us 999x equals 17. And then last step, divide both sides by the number in front of your x. So we get x is equal to 17 over 999. Now, I had step 5 said semi-check your answer. If we plug these back in, we want to make sure we don't have log of 0 or log of a negative number. Well, 17 over 999 plus 17, I don't know what it is, but it's not 0 and it's not negative. If I put 17 over 999 here, I don't know what it is, but again, it's not 0 and it's not negative. So we're fine. And I got a decimal. Okay, so let me plug in my calculator. 17 divided by 1, 2, 3. We get to 4 decimal places. 0.0170 or 0.017. 0.0170C would be our answer. So 15C. Go double check that. And 15C.